E-learning courses are becoming increasingly popular as a way to learn how to make money online. With the rise of the internet e-courses, more and more people are turning to e-learning courses to gain the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in the online world. The best e-learning courses are those that provide comprehensive instruction and guidance. They should include step-by-step instructions, video tutorials, and interactive activities to help students understand the concepts and apply them in their own businesses. E-learning courses are designed to provide students with the tools and resources they need to make money online. These courses typically cover topics such as website design, search engine optimization, social media marketing, and many other topics. We have an awesome short ebook to share with you and anyone else you would like to share with. It's all about getting the right sources to learn from and be successful online. It's up to you to be motivated to want to learn the right way to achieve success online, and we encourage you to follow a path and cut no corners for your online success. Follow the link below to get your free copy.